right, Van Jr. from What My Teacher Wears, back at you again, guys, with Thursday's version of Getting Dressed with me. And let me be first and foremost to say, I hope everybody is staying prayed up, staying safe, and staying clean out there through this COVID-19 pandemic. As I always say, as these videos will continue to kind of roll out, I hope everybody is just staying safe and following all of the guidelines so we can kind of, shut this thing down. Let's end it as soon as possible. But now that we have said that, let's get into today's video. Today will be Thursday, and this is kind of what I would probably more than likely wear. But as you will see later on in the video, I was very, very indecisive as to what shirt I wanted to pair with this particular statement piece for today. And with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get into it. First and foremost, we have just a simple brown cardigan. I really, really, really like this cardigan. I'm really starting to get more into cardigans now because I'm finding them a lot more at my local thrift stores. If you notice, I believe it was last week I had on a camel color, which was also a thrift find, and this was a very, very dope thrift find. I love this thrift find. It fit absolutely perfect. It wasn't oversized like last week's cardigan. Again, I'm really digging the cardigan. I especially love this chocolate color because I because I love the way the chocolate complements my particular skin color. I love the way it kind of flows and kind of bounces off of my complexion. Again, that's a personal opinion. Other people might think differently as far as the color brown and then wearing. Well, now let's move on to the actual pants that I decided to pair with this cardigan. You can't really tell just based off the video, but these pants, they're kind of plaid. It's a mix between a white as well as a chocolate. When I saw these pants, if I'm not mistaken, these had to have been like some worker pants or some pants for somebody who worked kind of in a restaurant, because when I picked these up and when I found them in a thrift, I found literally like 5 or 6 pair of the same exact pair of pants in the same exact size. So I believe this is probably from a restaurant. Hey, I'm totally for it because I absolutely love the way this pair of pants goes with this cardigan. And the first look that I decided to look and kind of hook up with this is this Oxford. It's a polo just Oxford shirt. I really wanted to bring out even more of the chocolate within the cardigan, so I decided to pair it with the same exact wash that I had on yesterday. It is a chocolate brown strap with the gold face wash. I normally kind of go with bracelets kind of similar to this size, not very large. This was a new bracelet I got, and We Are Lapel Pins Instagram. I know you keep hearing me shout them out, but I really love the accessories, and this was something very different for me, which is another reason kind of why I really like We Are Lapel Pins. Again, not sponsored video, but I really like this company because they give me an assortment of things to choose from, and it's not extremely pricey. It's super affordable. Again, not a sponsored post, but I really do love their accessories, and so I decided to accessorize that particular beaded bracelet with this look, and I switched the game up. Okay, so now when I switch the game up like this, and I know I'm reporting to kind of work or to my job, to my classroom. Granted, you might see me with a white, very crisp white t-shirt, and it is very fitted. But to kind of dress the look up, what I chose to do was I chose to kind of pair these with a darker brown horse bit loafer to kind of elevate the look. Again, I kept the same exact accessories because I love the way that chocolate plays off the chocolate of the cardigan within the watch. So I kept everything the exact same, but I switched out the shoes, I switched out the shirt, and I switched out the bracelet. I went with some smaller bracelets to kind of elevate the look so it wouldn't be so casual, because I do have on a white t-shirt. But this was a look that I really am up in the air about. I really do not know which one I would have gone with, but could you guys do me a favor and vote in the comments? Would you guys have gone for look 1, or would you have gone for this particular look right here with look 2? And with that being said, I hope everybody enjoyed this particular video. If you got something from it, if you found it informative, if you love the look, please leave me a comment down below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that now. Don't hesitate. Subscribe to the channel now, and also hit that like button if you like either one of these looks. Until next time, I see you when I see you.